Hello. Today we are going to show you how to create your first page in Notion. Once you're logged into Notion, look at the left sidebar and click the plus button that says New Page. A brand new blank page will open up for you. At the top of the page, you'll see where it says Untitled. Just click there and type whatever you want to call your page. For example, let's call it My First Page. Below the title, you'll see the main area of the page. This is called the canvas. Everything you add here is called a block. Text, images, checklists, and more are all blocks. To start writing, just click anywhere below the title and start typing. It's that simple. Your first Notion page is ready to go. Thanks for joining us today. If you like the information provided here, please like and subscribe so we will make more videos.